or when your positions are not going the right way, they are literally sat on your shoulder like a parrot, asking you every hour, are you sure about that? Is there something we don't know about that? Is there something the market knows that you don't know? Have you missed something? So you need to be tenacious, but you also need to understand when maybe you've got it wrong. So you've got to be objective as well. Generally speaking, you need to be like a sponge, just absorbing as much information as possible. And then one of the key aspects is working out what is noise and what is actually important to either your trade idea or your actual position. Spending as little time as possible on the things that don't matter. And at the end of the day, obviously focus